campus for me is like a huge opportunities and a platform as well for me to work with the others, foreign friends.
Campus is the people, and we interact and we exchange our ideas.
It's probably the best experience in my life.
And it provides you a chance to increase your skill set.
And to find yourself even.
This was the most creative summer I've ever had.
Welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could.
What I like the most is the methodology, like making an open place from brainstorming to how to imagine it.
As for me, today we had some amazing speaker from Italy. He had his own business and he's one of the best CEO there, and he gave us amazing idea about how to create our business in the field of business.
Times are changing everywhere. Do we dream and do we dare? It's up to you. The door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today. Learn the part and join the play. The world is here. Let's take it for a ride. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Larger, larger than, bigger, bigger than, living hopes and dreams. Every boy and girl, higher, higher than, brighter, brighter than, all you wanted, and you know. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You can have all you ever wanted.
Today we had a great opportunity to talk to our rector, Mr. Mau. He came to campus and we had a chance to ask our questions and he answered them so well.
I look forward to more adventure in the RANEPA Summer Campus, and I wish all of you success and good luck.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl.
RANEPA Summer Campus is extra cool thing for me.
Because when you're emotionally connected, that's it. Your group, your team will be amazing. Because you're free to express yourself, and that's the key.
Bigger than you know. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Today we had a kaleidoscope of cultures at the RANEPA Summer Campus, and I'm really excited that we were able to get acquainted with different cultures from Nigerian to the Spanish ones.
I'm so excited! I haven't ever can't imagine that I can dance like this, because it's something I don't know where is it in my head, so it's very awesome.
You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You can have all you ever wanted. Hopes and dreams, every boy. You can fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You can have all you ever wanted.
Perfect people.
Amazing,
Creativity.
Hardworking,
no sleep,
Fun.
and innovative.
Unexpected, exciting, and emotional.
You know you could.